Assalamu alaikum playgroup class. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is recognition, talk. This is my body parts. Playgroup class, today I am going to teach you parts of body. So first of all, watch on screen. What are you watching? Do you know what is this? Nose. What is this? This is a nose. What is this? This is an eye. This is an eye. The next one is hair. What is this? Hair. These are hair. The last one is body. What is this? Body. Now students, read with me. Nose, nose, eye, hair, hair, body. Okay students, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.